Hello again. So today we're talking about the Phonak Infinio Virto hearing aids. I've got them here in different colors. Difference is this is a demo and this is the real thing. You can get them in this color, which is black, or a range of skin colors to suit the patient. So my focus is again going to be on cleaning them. It's similar to most hearing aids on the market today. Basically, you have your device here. There's the cord which you use to pull it out of your ear. I've requested a nice big marker here for the client to be able to identify which is for the right ear and which is for the left ear. But for cleaning and maintenance, there's a few things to bear in mind to keep these in tip-top shape. First of all, we need to be mindful of what each of the parts do. So starting from here, we've already talked about the retention cord. Then here we have the magnet which connects the hearing aid to the charger. And then here on either side we have the microphone. So I'll just bring that a little bit closer there. So there's a microphone there, the lightest shade of tan, and there's a microphone there. And then depending on how your device has been set up or programmed, this is your program button. It could be a volume control or it could be to change across the programs. Just depends on how your audiologist has set up your hearing aids to work. And then moving on from there, we have a ventilation hole which starts just from here all the way around to here. So it's quite important to ensure that this ventilation hole is kept open and clear. And then of course here we have the sound outlet. The white ring is the filter, and this is from where the sound comes out of the hearing aid and goes into your ear. This needs to be kept clear to ensure you're getting all the sound, as I've already said. So daily maintenance I would suggest is to brush here every night, and also get a dry tissue, clean tissue, and give this a nice once over every night. After you've done that, just pop that back in the charger, at which point these should start lighting up to show you that they're charging. The other thing to be mindful of is if this is completely blocked with wax, it's going to have a yellow or brown appearance. A brush alone might not suffice. Sometimes you might be able to pick it out depending on what kind of brush you've got. But then you have the Stops which have filter replacements. So if we open that up, in here we have the black sticks. If we pull out one of them, one end has got the hook, the other one has got the filter. So you want to use the black end with the hook to take out the current filter. So we push that in and we pull that out, and then we turn the stick around and push this back into place. I also like to push this end on a clean surface, just a little bit firmly, to ensure that that is firmly in place. If you wanted to give it a proper sterile clean, wipes as well can work. You just take that again, give that a once over, and then go over this again with a dry clean tissue, and that should get the job done. Then over here where we've got the microphone, over time you can get a bit of dust, hair appears, or just dry skin cells settle in there. So your brush will come in useful for giving that a clean just every night to make sure that the hearing aid is collecting as much of the sound efficiently for you to hear as best as you can. Until next time, all the best. Bye bye.